In this 6-mark indices question, we are asked to solve the simultaneous equations 3 to the 3x times 9 to the y equals 27 and 2 to the minus 3x times 8 to the minus y is 1 over 64. Let's get into it. In this question, we could use logarithms, but if we start on the left, you see that there's a 3, 9, and 27, which are all powers of 3. Therefore, I'm going to try and write everything as a power of 3 as indices. So 9 is 3 to the power of 2, so I'm going to write it like this, and 27 is 3 to the power of 3. Over on the right hand side for the other equation, we've got a 2, 8, and a 64, which is a power of 2. The first term I'm going to leave the same. The 8 is a 2 to the power of 3, and if you work out 64, it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 1 over 2 to the power of 6. We'll sort out that fraction in the next step. Back over to the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, I'm going to simplify this bracket. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of y. Use our laws of indices, we times that 2 and y, we get 3 to the 2y. Over on the right, we can do a really similar thing. We can times 2 to the 3 by minus y to get 2 to the minus 3y. And now, using our laws of indices, we can use the reciprocal to say that it should be minus 6 instead of 2 to the 6. Now, laws of indices tells us we can add these two powers together, like this. And similarly, on the right-hand side, we can add these two powers together, but they're going to be subtracted because they're both negative. Now, if 3 to this power is equal to 3 to this power, those powers must be the same because the bases are the same. So we get this equation. Similarly for the 2's, 2 to the first power is 2 to the second power, so the powers must be exactly the same. From here, this is normal simultaneous equations now, nothing too fancy about it. I'm going to call them equations 1 and 2, and I'm going to add the 2 together. If we add the 2 together, 3x and the minus 3x will cancel out. The 2y and the minus 3y will be on the left, and the 3 add to minus 6, or 3 minus 6, will be on the right. Once we simplify, this will give minus y is minus 3, and therefore y is equal to 3. But we also want x. So if we want x, I'm going to sub it back into one of the original equations. I'm going to use the first one to avoid the negatives. This tells us that 3x is equal to 3 minus 6, or minus 3, and therefore x is equal to minus 1. And here's 2 more to have a go at.